Is your check engine light giving you anxiety? Do you dread that mechanic's bill just for a diagnosis? What if you could speak your Toyota's language, understand its quirks, and even fix minor issues yourself? Today, we're diving deep into the world of automotive wizardry, specifically for Toyota owners, to uncover the 5 best OBD2 scanners that can transform you from a bewildered driver into an empowered DIY mechanic. Let's get started. Number 1, the BlueDriver Pro OBD2 Scan Tool Scanner. First up, and a consistent champion in the DIY community, is the BlueDriver Pro. Imagine having a professional mechanic's insight right on your smartphone. That's essentially what the BlueDriver offers. It connects seamlessly via Bluetooth to an incredibly intuitive app, making diagnostics surprisingly easy even if you're new to the game. It doesn't just read engine codes, it delves into ABS, SRS or airbag, and transmission systems for a truly comprehensive picture of your Toyota's health. What really sets it apart are the detailed repair reports, offering verified fixes specific to your vehicle pulled from a massive database. So, what do people ask about? Can it show me live data? Absolutely. You can monitor things like engine RPM, coolant temperature, and fuel trims in real time. This is super handy for catching those intermittent problems that don't always trigger a code. Are there hidden fees? Nope. All features are included with your purchase, which is a huge plus. Now, something to consider. While incredibly powerful for its price point, the BlueDriver relies entirely on your smartphone. If you prefer a dedicated device or your phone battery is always low, that's a small dependency to keep in mind. Remember, you can find the BlueDriver Pro and all the other scanners we're discussing today via the links in the description box below. Number 2, the Autel MaxiCOM MK08Z OBD2 scanner. If you're ready to step up your diagnostic game or you're a serious home mechanic with multiple vehicles, then the Autel MaxiCOM MK08Z is calling your name. This isn't just a scanner. It's a full-fledged diagnostic tablet. The MK808Z gives you access to virtually every electronic control unit in your Toyota. Engine, transmission, ABS, airbags, even climate control. It's like having the dealership's diagnostic computer, but in your garage. Beyond just reading codes, it performs over 25 service functions, from oil resets and EPB deactivations to steering angle sensor calibrations. People always ask, can it activate components? Yes, and this is where it truly shines. Its bidirectional control lets you send commands to your Toyota's systems to test things like fuel pumps or cooling fans directly. Is it complicated to use? Despite its advanced features, the large, clear touchscreen and intuitive interface make navigating its capabilities surprisingly straightforward. Of course, something to consider. This is a more significant investment than simpler scanners. While it offers incredible value for its features, it might be overkill if you only need to read basic engine codes once in a while. Number 3, the Launch Creader Elite Scanner. Here's a fantastic new contender that's quickly gaining traction, the Launch Creader Elite, specifically for Toyota and Lexus. If your garage is exclusively home to Toyota vehicles, why settle for a generic tool when you can have one custom-tailored for your brand? This unit provides a deeper, more accurate dive into Toyota's specific systems and proprietary codes, often going where universal scanners just can't. It's designed to speak your Toyota's language fluently. You still get all 10 modes of OBD2 testing, plus popular reset functions like oil lamp reset and electronic parking brake reset. A big question is, will it stay up to date? Absolutely. Launch offers lifetime free software updates for this device, which is a huge benefit, ensuring it remains compatible with new Toyota models and features for years to come. Is it easy to hold? Its compact design and clear color screen make it very user-friendly. Now, keep this in mind. Its primary strength is its specialization in Toyota and Lexus. While it will do basic OBD2 for other cars, its advanced functions are focused on those brands. If you work on a wide variety of makes, a more universal high-end tool might be slightly more versatile for those other brands. Number 4, the FOXWELL NT301 OBD2 scanner. Sometimes you just need a tool that works. Every time, without any fuss. That's the FOXWELL NT301. This corded unit is a fan favorite for its sheer dependability and straightforward functionality. It's not trying to be a smartphone app or a tablet, it's a dedicated, durable device built to last in a garage environment. For quickly reading and clearing those persistent check engine lights and getting essential diagnostic information, the NT301 is hard to beat for its price point. People ask, can it show me historical data? Yes, it displays freeze-frame data, giving you a snapshot of your vehicle's operating conditions at the exact moment a fault code was triggered. Do I need batteries? Nope, it draws power directly from your Toyota's OBD2 port, so it's always ready to go. Now, the main thing to consider here is that as a corded, dedicated unit, it lacks the wireless convenience of Bluetooth scanners or the multi-system depth of a tablet scanner. It's primarily focused on engine-related diagnostics, so if you need to deep dive into other modules like ABS or airbags, you'd need a more advanced tool. And at number 5, the ANCEL AD310 Classic Enhanced Universal OBD2 Scanner. Finally, for those just dipping their toes into DIY diagnostics, or if you simply need the most straightforward way to understand a check engine light, we have the ANCEL AD310. This is a perennial bestseller for a reason. It's incredibly affordable, incredibly easy to use, and it covers the absolute essentials. There are no apps to download, no complicated menus, just plug it in and it gets to work. It's perfect for the occasional diagnosis and for peace of mind. A common question is, will it tell me what the code means? Absolutely, it displays the trouble code definition right on the screen, saving you from having to look it up manually. Is it compatible with my Toyota? Yes, it works with all OBD2 compliant vehicles, which includes virtually all Toyotas made after 1996. Just remember, this is a basic code reader. While it excels at reading and clearing engine codes and showing basic live data, it won't access other vehicle systems like ABS or airbags, nor does it offer advanced service functions. It's perfect for its intended purpose, but know its limitations. These devices aren't just gadgets. They're investments in understanding your vehicle better, saving on repair costs, and gaining true automotive independence. All product links are in the description box below, so you can check them out directly on Amazon. Now, let's dive in and empower your Toyota ownership. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please hit that like button and subscribe for more automotive gadget reviews. Safe driving.